Hello guys, this is another video that I show you how to make the sushi. And now today I gonna make the sushi that we call rainbow lobster. So in order to make this kind of sushi, you have to have we call the bamboo mat, and you wrap it with a plastic like this in order to prevent the dirty of the sushi rice and Essig or the lax dirty on the bamboo. And also you need this knife to cut, and also you need the plate like this. Yeah, the big plate. Yes, this is the most important. And then the ingredient of rainbow is depend on what you like. You can put anything that you like inside, but today we're gonna make it different. So let's start it and see together. This is I already made. It's about 20 maybe. And now we start with the rainbow lobster. I forgot to mention you that you have to have the bamboo net and the board and the ingredient that any ingredient that you have, don't worry. So the amount of rice is about 30, and also we need the more is nori. So now I start to spread the rice slowly. Is almost finished, and you left this part empty, and this part is a little bit out from the nori, right? This one is different here and here, and then we turn it to the other side. Yep, turn it, and the ingredient is surimi, Tamago, tofu, and a little bit avocado, like this. And we roll it. As I mentioned in the other video, we left about 3 or 4, any that convenient with you. I use my 4 finger to keep this ingredient still. So we roll it. You can roll it like this, or just grab it like this. You can roll it 3 or 4 rolls. It is up to you. And now we finish, but we still have this to adjust it. To adjust it by put it like this. Now we finish our rainbow, but it's not yet completely finished. We have to put the lobster about here. We already cut. We cut like this, but at home you can try the other platform that you like. You also can use just the hand to adjust it, or more beauty, you can use the bamboo plate. Use this finger and the thumbs, and this to make the shape more beauty. So now I'm gonna cut it. So in order to cut it well, so first time to learn how to cut, you don't cut it. Don't rush. It will cut your hand. So inside our rainbow is like this. Looks so yummy, guys. So our video finished, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to see my other video how to make the sushi. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment below. Thank you so much. Bye.
Single.
Guys, this is the way we slice the rainbow lux or rainbow salmon. For sliding this kind of rainbow salmon, we have to very be careful and soft hand, very taking care of it, because you know that it's really easy to break. Since our salmons we keep always in frozen, that can keep quality of the fish, so it's really hard to cut to slide this rainbow lux. Like we take care of it like we take care of the baby. It's similar like that. Yeah. And as you see in the video, our colleague, he has a lot of experience to cutting the fish, and he cut it very good and taking care of it. So this is how we cut. Yep. And we are selling our fresh sushi in supermarket. If you are in Germany, we are in Border Park, Edeka, Magdeburg, And also we have other brands of our company in Berlin. Yeah, we have so much in Berlin. If you are in Berlin, you can find us in most of supermarket like Kaufland, River or Edeka. Thank you so much again for watching my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs and please share the video for encouragement me to produce more video. And if you have any question, if you want me to make any kind of other sushi, please don't hesitate to comment below. I'm really enjoy to show you guys and to share what I have learned from our company. So thank you so much again. Please stay healthy during this COVID-19. Thank you so much. Bye.